And next topic is counters. Counter. What is the definition of counter? Counter is it counts the number of clock pulses. Counters is classified into two types. First one is asynchronous counter, and second one is the synchronous counter. Okay, coming to the first asynchronous counter. In asynchronous counter, each flip-flop is considered same clock pulse, but asynchronous clock pulse is the clock is different. Okay, the clock is applied in different way. Coming to the synchronous counter. Okay, in synchronous counter we are using the up counter and down counter also. Up counter and down counter. And up counter we are using the 2 power of n minus 1, and down counter is 1 minus 2 power of n. Okay, here n is indicates the number of bits equal to number of flip-flops. Okay, here capital N indicates the here number of bits equal to number of flip-flops. Here n equal to number of possible states. Possible states. Small n equal to number of flip-flops. Okay, that is n equal to 2 power of n. Okay, here number n is the number of possible states and small n indicates the number of flip-flops. Okay, coming to the here up counter is the 2 power of n minus 1, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, up to 2 power of n. And next coming to the down counter, in down counter that is 2 power of n like that, 0, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 and 0 like this, that is 3, 2, 1, 0, 2 power of n, that is 1 minus 2 power of n state. This is the up counting and down counting. Up counting is 0, 2, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and down counter is 3, 2, 1 like that. This is the up counting and this is the down counter. Okay, and next see the 2-bit. Next see the 2-bit synchronous up counter. Okay, and next see the 2-bit synchronous up counter. In synchronous we are using the same clock pulse. Okay, here we are using the up counter. Up counter is the that is 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, and next here we design the 2-bit synchronous up counter. Up counter is 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So how to design the synchronous counter? We follow these 4 steps. What is the first step here? Decide the number of flip-flops. How to decide the number of flip-flops? Here we are using the 2-bit. So we are using the 2 flip-flops. Okay, you already know that here the number of bits equal to number of flip-flops. Okay, that is 2 bits equal to 2 flip-flops. And next second step is excitation table for flip-flops. Here we also using the SR flip-flop or JK flip-flop and D flip-flop and T flip flop. So we are using the any flip flop you can use. So you draw the excitation table for that flip flop. In this we design the 2-bit synchronous counter. We are considering the JK flip flop. So we draw the excitation table for JK flip flop. Excitation table for JK flip flop. Okay, what is the excitation table? Qn plus 1. Here Qn is the present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. JK 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Here J is 0 1 x x and x 1 0. This is the excitation table for JK flip flop. Okay. And second step is completed. And next third step is obtain the simplified Boolean equation by using the K-map. And last step is draw the logic diagram. So this is the first step. Step 1 is the find out the number of flip flops. And next second step is excitation table for that flip flop. Here we are using the JK flip flop. Okay. And next here state diagram and circuit excitation table. Draw the state diagram. This is the third step. State diagram. State diagram. Here we are using the 2-bit, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Here this is the up counter. Up counter, what is the formula? 2 power of n minus 1. Here n is considered 2 bits. 2 square 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is the 3. 3 is involved 0 1 2 3. Okay. These are the steps. Okay. These are the cycle, that is 0 1 2 3. This is a counting. 0 1 2 3 up counting values. Okay, this is 0 is indicates in binary form, that is 0 0, 1 is 0 1, 2 is 1 0 and 3 is 1 1. Here we are using the up counting. Up counting is indicates this is 1 0 0. This is the present state. This is Q0 and this is Q1. Next state is 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, this is the state diagram. And next we can use the excitation table for that one. Okay, here we are considering the excitation table for JK flip flop. Here we are using the J and K. The next state is the next state table, that is the here the 0 0. The next state is 0 1. And third step is circuit excitation table. Circuit excitation table. Okay, here the present state is Q1, this is the LSB and this is the MSB bit. Q0, Q1, these are the present state, P dot S. And next state is Q, this is Q0 and this is Q1. Okay, this is the next state and this is the present state. Okay, here 0 0, the present state is 0 0. The next state 0 0. What is the next state here? 0 1. So we write down the 0 1. And next, this is the present state. Present state is 0 1. What is the next state? 1 0. And next 1 0 is the present state. What is the next state here? 1 1. And next present state is 1 1. What is the next state here? 0 0 0. Okay, and next 0 0. This is repeated counting. Here we are using the 2 bit. 2 bit is 0 1 2 3. We counting the up to 3 only. And next repeat the again 0 0. Okay. And next in given problem we are using the JK flip flop. Okay. How many flip flops are used? 2 flip flops. That is next. This is the we observe Q0 and Q0. In this the present state Q0 is 0 and next state Q0 is 1. 0 1. What is the J and K? J is 1 and K is X. 0 1. We observe these two. And here Q0 is 0 and Q0 is 1. 0 1. That is 1x. We observe Q0 and Q0. So J0 and K0. That is 1x. J is 1, K is x. And next the present state is 1, next state is 0. 1 0 x 1. That is x. J0 is x, K0 is 1. And next case is JQ 0 1. 0 1. J is 1 and K is x. J is 1 and K is x. And next 1 0. 1 0. J is x and K is 1. This is the J0 and K0. And next is the J1 K1. Here you observe these two Q1 and the next state Q1. Okay. In this 0 0 0 0 J is 0, K is x. J is 0 and K is x. And next 0 1 0 1 1 x 1 x. And next 1 1 1 1 x 0 x 0. And next 1 0 1 0 is x 1 x 1. Okay, this is the excitation table for circuit. Okay, and what is the fourth step? Obtain the simplified equation by using K-map. Okay, so we draw the J1 K1 K-maps and J0 K0 K-maps. First we find out the K-map for J1. Here we are using the 2 inputs, that is Q1 Q0. So we draw the 4 variable K-map. This is 0 1 0 1. Okay, here map K-map structure for J1. J1 in J1 0 0, that is 0. And next 0 1 our output is 1. And next 1 0, that is 2 decimal value, and x and 1 1 x. Here grouping the 2 and 4. This is the what is the equation here? This is 1, that is J1 equal to Q0. And next K-map for K1. K-map for K1. Here also 4 variable K-map. In this K1 0 cell is x and 1 cell is x and second cell is 0, third cell is 1. Here the grouping is this one also. This is 0 1 0 1. This is Q1 Q0. In vertically this is Q0. So finally K1 equal to Q0. And next K-map for J0. K-map for J0. Here also we draw the 4 variable K-map. This is Q1, Q0. In J0, 0 cell is 1, first cell is X, second cell is 1, third cell is X. Here the grouping is 4 cells. And this is 1. Okay, therefore J0 equal to 1. And next K map for K0. K map for K0. K map for K0. Here also we are using the 4 variables. This is Q1, Q0, 0, 1, 0, 1. In 0 cell is X and 1 cell is 1, second cell is X, third cell is 1. Here also these 4 cells. This is also 1. Okay, finally K0 equal to 1. Here J0 is 1 and K0 is also 1. Here J1 is Q0, K1 is also Q0. Okay, and next the last step is draw the logic diagram. So we draw here we are considering the 2 flip-flops. 2 are considering JK flip-flops. Okay. Two flip-flops, they are J1, K1, this is Q1, Q1 bar, and this is J0, K0, Q0, Q0 bar. Here this is a synchronous counter. In synchronous counter we are using the same clock pulse. So commonly clock pulse, C dot P indicates the clock. Okay, here J1, K1 are connected the Q0. Okay, these both are connected to the Q0. Okay, and next K0 and J0 both are connected 1. Okay, these J0 and K1, J0 and K1, these 2 are connected 1. Okay, this is the logic diagram for 2-bit synchronous up counter. Okay.